So social media is a huge tool, not only for professional sport teams, but also, you think about it, for normal businesses as well. We have an advantage of actually just having built-in fans, but your consumers you want to convert into fans, and social media is a great way to engage with consumers and convert them into fans, being so passionate about your brand and your products that they're willing to go and talk with their friends about it. I also feel that social media is a really good tool to go and use in times of crisis. It's easy, social media is easy when things are going great. You want to spread the good word, and it can be really challenging when things aren't going well, but that's when you actually have to really engage your fan base. If things aren't going well, people are having these conversations about you and about your brand, and if you go silent, they're going to dictate, or other people will dictate your brand. So if you jump in, you can go and talk to people, maybe help repair what some of the damage has been done, but also learn from what the people are saying. Because really, if you're not listening, you're not using social media to the fullest. So you jump in there, you listen, and you fix what people are saying that they think is wrong. Because really, when it comes down to it, those are the people that are most engaged with your brand, they're your fans, and therefore they're probably going to go and really help you out in the long term.